YouTube, what's going on? Weekend Gardener here, back with another video. This is my Fuyu Persimmon that was ordered this year. So I've had it now roughly about 3 months. And so far, this is what we have. It started off as a little teeny stick. It's gotten a little fatter in diameter. And I have some green that's grown from here to here. That's about a foot of growth. Nice leaves. I have some flowers that actually were yellow, then they turned brown, and I'm assuming they were pollen. They got pollinized. They got fertilized. Not sure what the word is, but looked like bees touched them. So 2 fell off. I'm not sure if it was because of wind. Did I brush against them? Actually, more than 2 fell off. Here we go. I'm just noticing this around the plant. I'm gonna set them right here. Okay, that's what's fell off so far. And it could be because of wind, it could be because I was watering, I knocked it over with a hose, or possibly this tree, which I think is very young and is too young to hold persimmons. But this is the aftermath of what fell off the tree, so maybe it's self-pruned. But as of right now, we still have about 5 persimmons. 5 persimmons left. Make that 6. So we'll wait and see what happens. I'm not expecting anything because this is a very young tree, and to be honest, I wasn't expecting anything for another 3 or 4 years once it got some size. I'm going to find a place where I think I'm going to up pot it until it gets a nice size and then put it in the ground because it's too young to have it in the ground right now. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.